In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve a common problem that a lot of Instagram users face, and that is Instagram music isn't available in your region. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to click on these three lines, then go to settings, click on help, and then click on this report a problem option. Click on this option which says report problem without shaking. Now here you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. So write hello team Instagram. I am a content creator, short videos for my users, but I am facing a problem. Instagram music isn't available in your region, so please help me to solve this problem as soon as possible. Thanks. And once you have stated down your issue, you can also attach a screenshot. And after that, all you have to do is to click on this next option, click on send report, and that's it. After this, within next 24 to 48 hours, you will receive a response from Team Instagram and your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.